Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome. Today we're talking about 8 common signs of vitamin deficiency and how to fix them. Sign 1. Fatigue and weakness. Feeling tired all the time? It could be due to a lack of vitamin D, B12, or iron. Ensure you're getting enough sunlight, incorporating vitamin-rich foods, and consider supplements if necessary. Sign 2. Skin issues. Skin troubles like dryness, acne, or eczema might signal a deficiency in vitamins A, C, or E. Focus on a well-balanced diet and skincare routine. Sign 3. Hair loss. Excessive hair loss may be linked to a shortage of biotin, zinc, or iron. Consume foods rich in these nutrients and consult a healthcare professional if hair loss persists. Sign 4. Muscle cramps. Frequent muscle cramps could be related to low levels of calcium, magnesium, or potassium. Include these minerals in your diet through foods like dairy, nuts, and bananas. Sign 5. Poor immune function. Frequent illnesses may be due to a vitamin C or zinc deficiency. Load up on citrus fruits, vegetables, and zinc-rich foods. Sign 6. Numbness or tingling. If you're experiencing numbness or tingling, it may indicate a lack of vitamin B12 or folate. Consume more sources of these vitamins, such as fortified cereals and leafy greens. Sign 7. Vision problems. Blurry vision or night blindness can result from insufficient vitamin A. Eat foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Sign 8. Mood swings or depression. Mood disturbances might be linked to low levels of vitamin D or B vitamins. Get some sunlight, consume fortified foods, and consider talking to a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching.